Hi guys, yesterday I got this and I made some prime pops. They were so good that I decided to make some more with different flavours. So, this morning I went shopping and this is what I managed to find. Got blue raspberry. We got metamoon. We got lemon lime. Got ice pop. We got lemonade. We got some more cherry freeze. We got chocolate punch. We got strawberry watermelon. And this one we already had in the fridge, KSI. And we also got some ice lolly molds. And if you haven't got ice lolly molds, you can always use a plastic cup and a coffee stirrer from McDonald's. First, open the bottle. And fill the molds. Then do the same for the other flavours. Then put the lids on. Now do this for all the other flavours. one. And now we'll put them in the freezer. We're going to make a few of them with different flavours in them. We got 9 flavours, so we're going to do 3 with 3 different flavours in them. The first one is having tropical punch, KSI and blue raspberry. The second one is having Cherry Freeze Ice Pop Strawberry Watermelon. And the last one is having Lemonade Metamoon Lemon Lime. Strong stick, so we're using wooden spoons. Now put them in the freezer and wait until the first layer has set. Now just leave them for a few hours to set. It's now the morning after. The first layer has now set. Let's put the second layer on. Can go it back in the freezer now. The middle layer has set. Now time for the final layer. I'm back in the freezer. We've had enough time in the freezer. Look at these. Look at all these prime pops. I got loads and loads of different flavours. Look at these 3 colour ones. And look at the stripes. Try one now and keep the rest for when my friends come. Cookie dip time. I'll have this one. That's blue raspberry. It's lovely. They're all gonna go back in the freezer now. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click that little bell. Hope to see you again soon. Bye!